This video dives into the essentials of advanced database practices, focusing on defining and manipulating database objects. Discover how SQL commands shape and control your data environment. Tables store data in structured formats, using rows and columns. Views act as virtual tables, simplifying complex queries. Indexes enhance data retrieval speed by creating efficient lookups. Sequences generate numeric values, often serving as primary keys. ChatGPT said, "The data definition language, or DDL, is crucial for defining database objects and shaping the overall schema. Create, alter, and derope are key commands in this process, enabling developers to build, modify, and remove structures as needed. Creating a table involves specifying columns, data types, and default values to ensure correct data storage. Adding constraints like primary key, foreign key, unique, check, and NULL ensures data integrity and enforces business rules at the structural level. DDL commands lay the foundation for database structure, provide a blueprint for relationships between entities, and establish a stable environment on which application logic and data operations can reliably run. Creating tables is a fundamental part of database design. The Create Table statement defines the table's structure. It includes columns, data types, and constraints. Primary and foreign keys are essential for relational integrity. This method is ideal for building systems from scratch, ensuring robust data management. Views simplify complex queries and enhance security. A view is created using a SQL query, acting like a virtual table. It can restrict access to sensitive data by showing only specific columns. Views are queried like regular tables, providing flexibility. They are essential for simplifying data access and management. Indexes are vital for improving database performance. They allow quick data retrieval, reducing query time. Creating an index on a column speeds up searches. However, indexes require additional storage and can slow down updates. Balancing performance and storage needs is key when using indexes. Stored procedures are reusable SQL blocks that automate tasks, encapsulating complex logic into a single callable unit. They reduce the need for repetitive SQL code, improve maintainability, and can enhance security by controlling data access through defined interfaces. Triggers are automated actions that execute in response to specific events, such as insert, UVDA2, or delete on a table or view. For example, a trigger can log deletions from a table, enforce business rules, or update related records automatically. Both tools enhance database functionality and efficiency by streamlining operations, maintaining consistency, and reducing the likelihood of human error in routine data handling. Data manipulation language, or DML, is used for interacting with data. Insert, select, UVDAT, and delete are primary DML commands. They allow you to add, retrieve, modify, and remove data. Using DML effectively is essential for managing database content. It ensures data remains accurate and up-to-date. Inserting data involves adding new records to a table. The insert command specifies the data to be added. Updating data changes existing records using the update command. Both operations are crucial for maintaining current data. Proper use of these commands keeps the database relevant and useful. Deleting data removes unwanted records from a table. The delete command specifies which records to remove. Retrieving data is done using the select command. It allows you to view specific data based on criteria. Effective data retrieval and deletion ensure a clean and efficient database. Controlling access to database objects is vital for security. User roles and privileges determine who can do what. Grant and revoke commands manage these permissions. They ensure only authorized users can access or modify data. Proper security measures protect sensitive information and maintain integrity. The create table as selected statement, or CTS, builds tables from existing data. It copies structure and data based on a query. This method is useful for data migration or backups. CTS supports quick table creation without manual column definitions. It's ideal for prototyping or generating summary tables. Modifying databases involves changing settings or renaming. SQL offers limited direct alteration of database structures. However, you can amend database properties like collation. Deleting a database permanently removes it and its contents. Careful planning is needed to prevent data loss. Managing views effectively streamlines data access and security. Indexes enhance query performance but need careful management. Creating an index involves specifying columns for indexing. To change an index, drop and recreate it with new specifications. Deleting an index removes it from the database. Balancing index use with performance and storage is crucial. Functions perform calculations and return results in SQL. Create a function defines a function with specific logic. Functions can be used in queries for dynamic calculations. To amend a function, drop and recreate it with new logic. Deleting a function removes it from the database. Proper management of procedures enhances database efficiency and logic reuse. SQL scripts automate database tasks and changes, streamlining administrative and development workflows. They include commands for creating, altering, and deleting objects, as well as inserting or updating data to support application requirements. Scripts ensure consistency and repeatability in database management, making deployments more reliable across different environments. Testing scripts in a development or staging environment is crucial to identify syntax errors, logic flaws, or unintended side effects before they reach production. This practice prevents costly downtime, safeguards data integrity, and supports controlled versioning of database changes through integration with source control systems. Refer to authoritative texts and online resources for SQL mastery. Books like An Introduction to Database Systems provide foundational knowledge. Online documentation offers up-to-date SQL command references. Continuous learning ensures proficiency in database management. Explore ebooks and journals for deeper insights. Explore recommended readings and journals to expand your knowledge. For queries, contact support via email. Assignments should be submitted within 2 weeks of unit completion. Utilize available resources for successful learning outcomes. Continuous engagement with materials enhances understanding. In conclusion, ensuring security and efficiency in your database practices is key. By combining sound design principles, optimized queries, and strong integrity constraints, you create systems that are not only high-performing, but also resilient against data corruption and misuse. With these skills, you can build robust, scalable, and maintainable systems that stand the test of time. Thank you for watching.